Friends, welcome friends. In one of their videos, a man left me comment why we don't use with a blower. And by the way, this video I will now back up a hint here. Corner, why don't we use it? Because we have already passed this stage blowers, and what I want to tell you, it is to some extent easier for her to work, but and at the same time it is difficult. Why is it difficult? Because we have full frame stores. Bloated honey is very much, and as a rule it's very hard to turn these shops around when using a blower. And the same is necessary will detach completely from the store. From the other one should be raised accordingly sideways to give out. Then all this again to drag somewhere to put this second moment can provoke theft in this way at the point in the apiary that you will be blowing somewhere in front of the face. Yes. But that's it, still they will inflate. That is one gave out, you come right up to the second, and accordingly solution is generally we had this. Yes, we worked, we passed as I said already, so now we are like an option such that we are like we work. Yes, longer, yes, maybe not, it's easier everywhere, but still so far so. We found the best way for ourselves, so let's say the work with the withdrawal of honey frames. Well, now I want to show you here the blower is already the second one near our first one was less powerful. This is a more powerful blower. That's just we've started with a weak one, then we bought this one here powerful and already powerfully given out. But in the end we stopped anyway till we take out the frame. Well, now I want to show how this walker works at us. Well, friends, I showed you exactly how this thing works. Who follows the channel behind mine must have seen how I have been coming into. I have been handing over snow from the greenhouse over there is weaker. It is noticeable weaker is much more powerful. Of course it is, it's easier to take the snow. Well, of course it's all childishness. You won't clean up the snow here like a big one that's in the yard because well, it won't go. But a bunch here such as are now heating in the yard, of course we use snow plow, and at the apiary we use of it. We actively remove snow, and during of winter, and then in the spring for the bee exhibition stronger too, we rake the snow with them. Well, here such a snow plow here has 5 speeds, forward 2 backward. His grip height is large in my opinion. Now I don't remember. 50 centimeters at in general. It throws well, not bad. We like still not manually, because our volume is large, respectively manually. Of course, it's stressful to clean up a certain, plus we also clean them with this snow plow. And on the roofs too, there are such sloping roofs in the apiary. And we also remove these sloping roofs. We drag snow there with a snow plow. We take it up and put it away. That's how friends think I answered the question, but I probably have everyone who was interested. Put a like. Who has write any questions in the comments too of this video. I will try to answer this. I have all my friends for now until the new meetings. Good luck for now.